Are you feeling stuck in a rut, unable to reach your full potential? If so, you may find exploring the world of mind control techniques, as per Dr. Joe Dispenza, a renowned leader in neuroscience, of interest. In this video, we'll delve into the power of Dr. Dispenza's techniques and how they can help you unlock your true potential. We'll explore how a broadened focus can enhance mental stability, the benefits of transitioning into an alpha state, the power of elevated emotions, the effects of mindful meditation on the body and mind, and much more. By the end of this video, you will gain better insight into how to unlock your full potential using Dr. Joe Dispenza's mind control techniques. Increase mental stability with broadened focus. Do you ever feel like life is out of control? Are you frequently overwhelmed by stress and find it tough to focus? If so, exploring the world of mind control techniques might be of interest. Consider the research of Dr. Joe Dispenza, the well-respected neuroscience expert who has found that stress causes the brain to enter a high beta brainwave state, leading us to feel that our lives are out of control. Utilize Dr. Dispenza's mind control techniques to increase mental stability and unlock your true potential. The key to unlocking your true potential lies in widening your focus on issues rather than narrowing it. Under stress, the most common reaction tends to be over-focusing on the issue at hand. In reality, this will only make your brain worse over time, giving you a feeling of being divided within yourself. Instead of dwelling excessively on one problem or thought pattern, try shifting into an alpha wave state. Alpha state boosts creativity and decreases stress levels, and can be achieved through activities such as meditation or mindfulness practices like yoga or Tai Chi that help to bring balance between the body and mind. Brainwave entrainment technology, BET, is another way to regain mental stability and reduce stress hormones. BET employs audio tones with specific frequencies to synchronize with your brainwaves for better focus and deep relaxation. Many use this technique to help lower anxiety when faced with difficult tasks or life situations. Remember that self-improvement comes from understanding how the body and mind interact effectively with each other, rather than from physical or material desires alone. If you want to be truly successful, concentrate on creating harmony between these two parts. The benefits of shifting into an alpha state. Dr. Joe Dispenza has developed mind control techniques to unlock our true potential, and alpha states are key. Alpha frequencies allow for relaxation, improved creativity, and heightened awareness. Brainwave entrainment through techniques like meditation can shift brainwaves from beta to alpha range. When in an alpha state, coherence occurs within the brain, reducing negative emotions and allowing for mental equilibrium and improved responsiveness. Through meditation and mindfulness, we can access alpha states and unlock our true potential for creativity and insight. The power of elevated emotions and the effects on the body and mind. We all have the power to reach our true potential and unlock greater levels of fulfillment, joy, and purpose in our lives. Dr. Joe Dispenza's mind control techniques can help us achieve this. By utilizing neuroscience, we can understand the power of elevated emotions and their effects on the body and mind. When we experience negative emotions like anger, fear, or sadness, our heart beats out of rhythm. This change in electrical energy can lead to disconnection, mistrust, difficulty communicating, and a lack of creativity. To reach a more coherent state of being, we must focus on elevated emotions like gratitude and love. Through mindfulness meditation practices with brainwave entrainment technology, our intention becomes clear from within our hearts. This creates an external magnetic field that is produced by our heart in this modified state throughout the day. As a result, synchronicities, coincidences, and opportunities start to materialize, and our genes respond to the environment through emotion. Proteins structure our life expressionally, as if in that same emotional state continually. So unlock your true potential today with Dr. Joe Dispenza's mind control techniques. The power of emotions and mindful meditation for health and well-being. We all want to unlock our true potential and create lasting changes in our lives. However, did you know that it all starts with changing our emotions? Neuroscience suggests that without controlling the emotional state we experience, we cannot make these changes. Dr. Joe Dispenza is a world-renowned author, lecturer, and researcher in the fields of neuroscience and quantum physics. He has developed mind control techniques to help us tap into the power of emotion. Using mindfulness meditation, brainwave entrainment, and self-improvement strategies, these techniques regulate feelings by thought alone. They downregulate genes for disease and upregulate those that promote health. A study of novice meditators showed substantial biological changes after a week-long immersion event. This practice affected over 2882 metabolites, exosomes, and gene expressions positively. Besides reducing stress levels, the power of emotion can also help access deeper states of consciousness. These allow us to solve problems effectively or enter creative flow states where ideas seem effortless. High levels of stress lead most people's brainwaves to a high beta state, making it harder to focus on solving problems or be creative. In contrast, Dr. Dispenza recommends slowing down your analytical mind through mindful meditation to enter an alpha state. This leads to more creativity, coherence, and feelings wholeness, which are essential elements for tapping into one's true potential. At the end, let us summarize the things we have learned in this episode. Dr. Joe Dispenza's mind control techniques can help you unlock your true potential and lead a happier, more fulfilling life. By broadening your focus and shifting into an alpha state, you can increase mental stability and reduce stress hormones. Elevated emotions like gratitude or love also have positive effects on the body, mind, and soul. Mindful meditation can help access deeper states of consciousness that allow us to create solutions effectively or enter creative flow states where ideas seem effortless. Take action today to unlock your true potential with Dr. Joe Dispenza's mind control techniques. Thanks each one of you for taking out time and watching this video till the end. May God bless you all.